Traders, hello, I'm back. This is just a quick weekly wrap up of how my trading's been going with the Tim Sykes course. I'm doing the market prep course. It's actually been midnight tonight, exactly 4 weeks. So it's been a month, and I just want to review. I've only actually made one trade so far this week, and that was on DCTH. It was I'm saying it was a sell trade. It was actually a buy trade. So look at me, all sort of prepared. I've actually missed. It was a dip buy actually. So I will rename that. It was a dip buy. Look at me being all prepared and everything. I normally do this end of the week, so Saturday when trading's taking place, but I haven't actually been able to do that. So we'll just bring that up again. Alright, and we'll bring it up, photo viewer. So you're probably thinking middle of the night. It's not the middle of the night for me. I'm in Perth, Australia. So, what I do is as well. So I put up a recap of each trade I've done as well. But I just want to go over a few things, and I'll update my demo account and show you guys, how much I've made and lost and everything like that. So just close that down. Some random YouTube thing, and I get so many notifications. It's not funny. Alright, so what I'll do is I'll just make some notes here. So this was a losing trade. We'll use orange, let's match my hair color. Alright, so I actually got in at 11:33. That's when I got in. So I'm gonna cross that because that's a shitty time to get in. Because the double dip actually went, well, the dip down went to around 10:50 or so. So I got in too late, so I was too late. Alright, but I did get out quickly, so it was only $60, and it's a 12 grand Australian account, so it's not the end of the world. But so with interactive brokers, it would be a 10 grand US minimum. With the conversion, it's around 12 or so thousand Australian dollars. And so I got in there, and I ended up getting out. I got filled. I will be getting a new laptop soon as well, so I can draw on the screen, because that's how I like to journal and make notes on things. I think I was around a 1090 fill. I would have got filled sooner, but the computer's that shitty with such slow internet. I couldn't actually fill the order because it's a delayed feed. So I had to log out of that, log into the smartphone app, and then fill it. So it would have been, early 11s, I would say 11:10. So it would have probably been about half that loss, but still stupid for me because what I did was I was sort of watching it because it spiked aggressively, so lots of volume. But I was still paying attention to my other shares, and then I noticed Tim got in. I was like, should I? Because I was so focused on my other things, but they weren't doing anything. So LBUI wasn't really doing anything, and XXII wasn't doing anything, and MTBC really was shitty, wasn't doing anything. I'm trying to swear, but I'm not good at that, so I'm just going to be myself really. But you can't hesitate with these dip buys. So it went up, and then it went down. And then I could sort of see what was going on, and then it went up again, and I got in pretty much at the top because the high was like 11:38. So there was no possibility of capturing a profit. So frowny face to that for my stupidity. So that's been the only trade so far this week, guys. There was one on the 31st, but that was this week actually. So I've got August 31st was, yeah, so it was this week. Sorry, I did on the Thursday. No, what am I doing? July 31st. Monday. What am I talking about, guys? Man. So that was my losing trade. So we'll save that up. We'll look at my winning trade, and then we'll look at the demo account. Why do you have to be difficult? So this is how I do it, guys. So I've got my interactive brokered stuff. That's all my personal details, like, they want to see license, passport, all that shit. That's just one of the conditions you've got to deal with. All right, so losing trades. Let's save that. Okay. Gonna sip my coffee. All right. So in conclusion, the current situation with my laptop, it's 4 years old. It takes a lot of information. The process is bad. So to run a program I interact with brokers, and the internet's not, it's probably not good enough. But the delayed feed makes it very difficult to fill quickly. So if I'm trying to sell, if I'm trying to cover, get out. So that was the problem. All right, so we'll close that down. All right, so I've inked that. That was a sell trade. Now we'll go to winning trades, and we'll go to XXII. All right, god damn it, we got to open. For some reason, I updated Windows 10, and the default now is to open with a different program instead of. I must have selected something. I've done. Yeah, so photos. I don't want Windows Windows Photo Viewer, or whatever the fuck it's called. All right, so we got in. Hey, it was $60 as well. How about that? God damn it. All right, so fuck, that's uncanny, isn't it? All right, so $60. All right, so this one here. All right, so we'll bring this up. This was the 30. What is this? This is a daily candle. So it must have been this gap up. So it was the gap up, and I got in on the extension. So market price was 202, and I think I filled at 215. So I really didn't make too much money, and it actually retraced and closed the gap as well. So what we'll do, we will now go and we'll peruse my actual trades, because I can't link the demo account to Profitly, unfortunately. So I want to be fully transparent. The first week I didn't actually make any demo trades as well. So all right, let's bring this up. Hopefully this isn't too troublesome. All right, so I'll just save that. It's uncanny though, isn't it? Exact same, so I'm break even. Alright, we'll see how the night goes though. I will be home tonight as well. Yes, it's Friday night. Hashtag no lie. This is just what I do. So this should work. I just need to check my phone because it sends a verification. It's sort of thinking about it. Should I have had this prepared earlier? Yes, I should have. But if it doesn't load up, what I will do, I'll attach a screenshot to. Alright, let's try this once more. Because it'd be nice to go over it on video though. So I'm currently break even though, as you guys can see. So I can't quite. I think it was a buy trade. Was it a buy trade? I haven't even said what it was. Typical professional video here from Scott. That's what we're bringing. Well, I like to think this is trading. It's not really pretty at times, and it can be a real. It's just a lot of waiting around, honestly, guys. So that's all it is. I just get sent a code through, so that's why I've got the phone up like I do. Okay, we're in. Wow, that wasn't an audio, was it? Alright. Don't know why they make you do that. I think this is because I actually do have a real account. It's just not funded yet. I don't think I'm not going to fund it till, I'm ready. Because that's just, I'm definitely, what I'm realizing as well is that you've got to be quick. So you've got to know the setup, and then you've got to know how to, think and behave in that setup. So quick executions mean quick, All right, so we'll get the activity. We'll get the statement up. I'll bring this across. This will be good. This can give us an idea of where we're at. Okay, so that will load up soon. I haven't made too many trades. Actually, last night I wanted to buy DCTH, but I couldn't because of the pattern day trade rule as well, which was pretty rude. Alright, we'll go to trades. Okay. So total. Okay, so we're down $186. All right. So total for XXI was it was $80. Okay. And then all right. So they might not have updated it for. So they got ZN. They got ZN. Cool. DCTH. All right. So DCTH was okay, negative $42. So is that Australian? Is that okay? Oh, okay. So it's 10,000 shares. What did I cover? 1090. Commission fee 60. All right, what's 60? And then XXII was okay. So it was 60 as well. All right. So I did make a little bit more on XXII just with commissions though. All right. So we're negative $186, guys. We had a couple of bad losers on Common Cool, which is amateur hour, but so XXII. Alright, so that was. I was a buy, so I got on $1.90. So it was just a quick one. I think there was a lot of resistance at just over $2 as well, I recall. Like I was hoping it. I sort of got in a little bit too early. I got lucky there. So I got in. Yeah. I was just hoping to shoot up. I think it actually got to about 205, 206, and then I could see it was, trending a little sideways, and I just got out. So there it is, guys, $186 in the red, Australian. So on a $10,000 account, it's, around 2% or so. So, well, 1.5%, because we've conveniently got the American dollars here as well. Right, so 1.5% drawdown. So that's where we're at, guys. I'll keep this up. I'll take a screenshot of this as well. Thank you for watching. I'll upload this straight away and keep pushing on, guys. Good luck for today's session as well. Bye.